Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to easily take screenshots on your Lenovo laptops. Let's begin. First, the easiest and fastest way is just to simply press the print screen button on your keyboard. So it should be located something like this on your keyboard. Click on it and it will automatically take a screenshot on your entire screen. Now, if that doesn't work, you can use the Snip and Sketch pop-ups. Right now, you can easily press Windows Shift S and it will automatically do a screenshot for you. So you can see you have the option over here, a rectangular snip. You can do a freeform, window, and a full screen. So just go through those, whichever you like. And if that doesn't do anything, you can go to the start menu, search for Snip and Sketch. That's basically the same application that we just gone through earlier. And then you can click on new and it will automatically do a screenshot for you. And that's it. That's how you can easily take a screenshot on your laptop or PC. I hope you found this video very helpful.